Hello guys, welcome to Preet Tech Ideas. Guys, in this video we will talk about WoodMart theme header issues. Sometimes you face issue in your WordPress WoodMart theme website. You try to save your header changes, but your header still remain the same, or you are not getting any result after even you done customization of your WoodMart header or make any changes. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how you can easily fix your WoodMart theme header. So as you can see, this is my WoodMart website. So let me open my website homepage so I will able to show you the things you need to keep in mind and before you make changes in the header section. So in this video, we will talk about the top 3 reasons why your WoodMart header not getting any changes after even customization or making changes. The first reason we will talk about the cache. If you are using any cache plugin on your WordPress website, that might can issue why your WoodMart header not getting any changes. So you have to do one thing. You have to disable your any cache plugin you're using. If I show you in the plugin section, if you're using any of these plugins on your website, let me search here any cache plugin. So I will show you here. If you're using these plugins like WP Optimize Speed Optimizer, Light Speed Cache, so you have to disable them for a while. So, or I can recommend you when you start customize your website, you're working on your website, please keep your cache plugin disabled while you do changes on your website. Because the cache, when you make changes on your website, the cache is stored into your browser or into your server backend. Because cache store the history of your website. Sometime when you done your changes and your website browser has cache, that can also cause. You can do, the solution is here. You can do one thing, either try to open your website into new private tab in your browser. Mostly if your browser saved any cache and you try to open this website into private tab, your issue might fixed with this one if your browser saved any cache. Okay, so now let's talk about what if your issue not yet solved and you are trying to solve that issue. So for that, I'm using hosting platform. So first, in the browser side, in my hosting, I have option here to clear browser side cache. Here, visit your website without cache and clear it in the single click. I can single click and clear my browser side cache here. So after you clear your cache from your hosting side, your website should be fixed. Or if you're using CDN, mostly we use CDN for optimize the performance, but if you're using CDN, you can try to disable the CDN if this fix the issue. Number 2, let's talk about the plugins. Plugin also can cause your browser your website header not getting changes. Some of the faulty plugins also can cause your website not responding or by server side not responding. So if you go to plugin section, check if there is any plugin or try to disable some of the plugin one by one and try to visit your website again if that fix your issue. You have to, so that mean there are some plugin miscommunication with each other plugins. So you have to ensure about your plugin you're using. First of all, don't use too much plugin in the backend, only just to use a recommended plugin. So in this website example, I have some of the plugin, but I'm going to remove some of the these because this is just to show you. This is not a live website. So here I will only keep the recommended plugins. And number 2, I have to up, update all the plugins right away, or you have to enable automatic updates into from your hosting site. So keep update your plugin. If your plugin has any issue or you just install a new plugin, and you try to disable that plugin first. Number three issue, most of people they don't know after they make changes to this particular header section. Example, if I time your setting here in the WoodMart theme, if I go to theme WoodMart header builder, and you have done customization of your header. So let me show you how to we ensure which particular header you customize and why that header is not showing here because of mismatch settings. So if I go to my header section, header builder in the WoodMart theme, and scroll down, and I have a list of some of my pre-built header. So first you have to ensure about the header, which header you done customization on. So as you can see, this is the default header layout. So if I added, you might make changes in this header. By mistake, you make changes into other header section. How you ensure that you are using the same header in the front end? Some people make changes in the header builder here, but when you visit your website, your header is remain the same. There is no changes. So let me show you here how you can ensure you're using the same header. Example, I have done header changes into the header accessory. Let's talk about header accessories. So if I edit this one, and I can imagine my layout how it look like. Okay, so how I ensure that I am using the same header in the front end? So first you have to visit your website front page, and you will see option here edit page, not edit with Elementor, because edit with Elementor we use to customize the layout. We have to click here edit page, or go to your pages, click all pages. In the pages you have to find out your home page you're using. So let me click here pages, all pages. In the pages you have to find your home page here. This is my home page, and you can click also here edit. When you click on edit, another window will be open, not with Elementor, just a simple edit like this. Okay, after simple edit, scroll down and look option the header. In the header you have to ensure, I'm pretty sure you did not see this setting before, because you might thinking you done changes in the back end, but it's not showing proper that same header in the front end. You have to ensure here custom header for this page, it should be same. Earlier we talked about header accessories, right? We will talk about, so I have to ensure here my selection is header accessories as well. If I go to my WoodMart example header builder, you have to check the header name, in which header you make changes. You have to match with here header accessories and save changes. Now you have to try to click on visit home page to check your home page if your header has been changed, if you get any changes like that. So now I have a lot of tabs here. This is the another layout my header. So you have to ensure number first, cache. You have to ensure you are not using any cache plugin. If you're using, you have to disable that cache plugin right away. Or if your hosting provider support to clear cache, you can clear cache your website from the server side. Otherwise you have to visit on your Chrome profile private tab, open private tab and paste your website URL and check here. If you are seeing the changes here, that's well and good, you don't need to worry. So that means your website, your browser is storing cache. That's why it's showing you the same header again and again even after the changes. So when we open into that private tab, there is a cache disabled here, so it will show you the actual website, how your website look like. Okay, so you don't need to worry about it. You have to ensure the caches and the plugin. You can try to disable one by one plugin, and try to visit your website homepage again and again after disable plugins, and check where your website getting the changes. So you have to check that particular plugin, which plugin creating issue, or you have to remove that plugin. If you are using any third-party plugin, you are not sure about the plugin, so you have to only use verified plugins on your website. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.